Alright guys, I am reviewing this smart waterproof music lamp. Comes in this really cool box. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you how it looks. So the first thing you get here is this little thing that comes with the charger. You get the charger in there. See? The USB charge. And here is the lamp. Right here, it's covered up in this plastic. There's the speaker. So there's the on-off switch. There's the output. Right here opens up. And this is where you're going to plug your USB cords. In case you don't want to use the Bluetooth. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on.
Lighting.
There we go. I don't know if it needs to be charged, honestly. I haven't charged it. There we go. See, it's all lit up. I don't know if the Bluetooth's on yet, but I'm going to check it on my phone real quick and see. So it's searching right now on my phone. And I don't think it's connected yet. Okay, there's the green. Let me see. Maybe it's output.
Lighting.
Turn the light back on.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, maybe the Bluetooth's on now, hopefully. So it's searching right now on my phone. Okay, I think I found it.
Paired.
Alright, it's now paired. And I hope it's not going to be too loud, so I better check the volume. Okay. I'm going to find some music. Okay, found something. Put some Madonna on. Whoops. Sounds nice and loud. Okay, so I've done that now. Showed you the music and how good it sounds.
Lighting.
So that would make a good little night light for your children, including the blue. Oh, am I supposed to touch the side? It looked like, yeah, it gets brighter when you touch it right here. So there we go. See, it gets brighter when you touch the sides. Okay. So I didn't know how to do that at first. I was wondering. So let me turn it back to green.
Bluetooth mode.
And touch it again.
Paired.
See if it changes the colors. There we go. I was wondering how to do that. And then there you go. It does it by itself. That is so pretty. So let's play a song while it's changing colors. I'm going to put on some Hotel California by the Eagles. I'm an 80s girl, so I love 80s music.
There she stood in the doorway, heard the mission bell. And I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven and this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor.
Alright, so that is my review. I give this a 2 thumbs up. I really love anything Bluetooth, any kind of lights. I love it. I really, really love it. So I'm going to have this by my bed, and when I want to listen to music, I'll turn it on and let the colors change like this. Alright, if you guys want to order one, the link to this is in the description. Definitely go and check this out. This thing is really amazing. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.